Previously, a little girl in today's demonstration asked what would happen if you put dry ice in oil. As predicted, it bubbles. Notice how, it has to be completely submerged. See here, it's not bubbling, but if I tilt it, have it completely submerged in the oil, it starts to bubble. Why does it start to bubble? Because of sublimation. It's going from frozen solid state to gaseous state. And what happens if you fart in water? You make bubbles. And this is exactly what the dry ice is doing. It's farting. I mean, it's not really farting, but it's like similar to farting. And it's just going from solid to gas. Call it whatever you want. I'll call it farting. It's not actually farting though. But it's like similar to when you fart in a bathtub. Yeah. Although if you farted for this long, you'd probably be pretty sick. Be pretty concerned if you farted like this. Okay? Don't copy me about the farting thing. I don't think everyone likes farting, but I like farting. Other people might not like it. But that's okay. To each their own. I mean, farting is a beautiful thing. Everyone farts. Everyone does. I don't know why you wouldn't like something that you do so often. It's healthy. It's a healthy act. And yep, there's the dry ice. Oh, see? Dry ice. Dry ice. Alright. That's the experiment. To answer your question, little girl, I remember. Even though I was half asleep, I still remembered. And you asked a very interesting question. Yeah. So since it's so interesting, maybe we should see how it compares to water. So look, we have about this much oil put in, close to 1 ounce. So, and the dry ice was about this size. I'm not going to be very exact here because I want to go eat dinner. So instead of putting the dry ice in oil, let's put it in water and see the different reactions to. Let's just pour this out here. Give it a little wash. There we go. That's about right. Whatever. So we dry ice right here. Let's put this piece inside. There we go. Oh, you see? And why does this phenomena happen? Why? It's what you're learning in class. Oh, it's so pretty. It's what you're learning in class right now, right? I just heard your teacher say you're learning about density. Yeah, and this is simply because... Why? Can anyone answer? It's because the density of water is less than oil, so it takes less. Alarm for 7:35. It takes less. Ooh. It takes less force to move this water. And also the same with the oil. If I don't have it completely submerged, it does not bubble. Once I completely submerge it, it starts to bubble again. But for some reason, this water, it creates this smoke. And I'll have to think about that a little. I'll get back to you on it. There we go. Whoa! See that? It's like blowing little O's. It's blowing little O's. Hear that noise? That's so cool. Okay. Time to do something else. Arlene!
Yeah.
Do you want to see something cool?
Sure.
Okay.
Oh.
It's kind of almost out of it, but it's kind of cool, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is that like regular temperature water?
Yeah, regular, but I put the dry ice in
there.
so it's probably going to 109.3. Trying to do that. Yeah, look at that, Faraday. Look at that. Isn't that cool? Aw. He's like, no, I can't drink it, so it's not cool. Yeah, I did this experiment because a little girl asked a question in during the demonstration.
That's so cool.
Yeah, it lasts for so long. Looks like it's blowing little O's.
I know, I see that.
I don't even know how to do that.